Hello and welcome to our third video for our system, Plant Growth Variable Monitoring System. And in this video, we are going to talk about the improvements and the alterations we have implemented to our system.
Currently, we have planned the system like this. We are going to measure the humidity, temperature and soil moisture for plant using sensors. The values read from the sensors will be sent to the Arduino board and that data is going to be displayed in LCD display. In the other hand, the Arduino board will transfer that data via the Wi-Fi module to the web server and the database server. Few days back, we were able to read the temperature, humidity and soil moisture levels and display them on LCD successfully. Even though it looked like easy in the beginning, we faced few problems like coding errors, header file issues, etc. Anyhow, we were able to complete that part, and let us show you a little video related to that. So this is the circuit. As you can see, temperature, humidity and soil moisture amounts are shown in LCD display periodically. The soil moisture level is shown as 54% at the moment. If we add some more water to the soil, it should increase. It has risen to 63 now. So this is basically what is happening now. After completing the basic part, currently we are working on sending that information to the web server through the Wi-Fi module, so the user can view this information remotely.
In this video, we are going to focus on three major updates that we implemented to our system. Update 1 is monitoring a specific plant. We are going to monitor a kidney bean plant. Update 2 is we are going to implement a notification feature. We are going to send notifications through SMS. And the update 3 is we are also going to monitor the pH value. Let's move forward and see how these things are done.
Now let's talk about our first update. We are going to design the system for a specific plant, and the plant is kidney beans. Kidney bean is a type of common bean which is named after its own shape, which looks like a kidney. Kidney beans are rich in protein, and to be honest, it is one of the best plant-based source of protein. There are many benefits of eating kidney beans. One of them is it helps to lose weight. Also, it avoids the rise of blood sugar levels. Now, let me talk about why we chose this plant. So basically there are two main reasons, where one is the fact that it is consumed by many people, usually for breakfast. So we believe that this system will be useful for considerable amount of people. And the second reason is that the fact that it grows pretty faster, which even helps us to present the outcome pretty quickly. Now let's talk about requirements for successful growth for these kidney beans. According to what we have found, the ideal temperature should be between 18 Celsius to 27 Celsius. And pH value should be in range between 6.0 to 7.0. And of course, it requires certain amount of water. So what we're going to do is, we will check these variables using our system and determine what should be done to ensure a successful growth.
Moving on to the second update. As mentioned in our previous videos, we are monitoring the variables of the plants. And with that information, we can compare that with the given level. And if a certain plant is missing a certain amount of the variable, we are going to notify that to the user through a GSM module. An example, if the plant is lacking a certain amount of water, the user is going to know about that.
The last update is about measuring the level of pH values. The first image contains a pH sensor that measures the amount of pH values of a solution. So what exactly mean by this pH value? Well, pH value is a number that represents many types of plant nutrition amounts, such as nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, iron, etc. pH values are scaled from 0 to 14, where 7 is neutral, while below 7 is acidic and above 7 is alkaline. The second image shows a diagram that describes the amounts of nutrients that contains in each of the pH values. The recommended pH value for vegetable plant is 6.5. So in a case where pH value is low, lime or dolomite can be used to increase the pH value. Therefore, determining pH value is very useful.
The following slide is the reference slide. And with that, we are concluding our third progress report video for our project. Thank you very much for watching.